Welcome back, dream chasers and entrepreneurs. Today, we have a topic that can truly transform your life and business. We're diving into the incredible power of practicing gratitude and journaling. I'm your host, and together, let's explore how these simple practices can be a game changer for any entrepreneur. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss this episode. Have you ever felt overwhelmed or caught up in the hustle and bustle of entrepreneurship? I know I have. Well, today, we're going to talk about 2 practices that can bring a sense of balance, positivity, and fulfillment into our lives: gratitude and journaling. Let's start with gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can shift our perspective and mindset. As entrepreneurs, we often focus on what needs to be done, what's not working, and what we're striving to achieve. But incorporating gratitude into our daily lives allows us to pause, appreciate the present moment, and acknowledge the abundance that already exists. When we practice gratitude, we shift our focus from scarcity to abundance. We become more aware of the opportunities, resources, and support systems we have at our disposal. This positive mindset not only improves our overall well-being but also enhances our problem-solving abilities and decision-making skills. Now, let's talk about journaling. Journaling provides a sacred space for self-reflection, introspection, and personal growth. It allows us to unload our thoughts, ideas, and emotions onto paper, providing clarity and a deeper understanding of ourselves and our entrepreneurial journey. By journaling, we can document our progress, celebrate achievements, and learn from our failures. It helps us identify patterns, set goals, and develop new strategies. Journaling becomes a roadmap for our growth and development as entrepreneurs. The benefits of gratitude and journaling: mental and emotional well-being. Practicing gratitude and journaling promote mental and emotional well-being. They help reduce stress, anxiety, and overwhelm. By focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, we cultivate a sense of contentment, joy, and resilience. Increased self-awareness. Journaling encourages self-reflection, allowing us to gain a deeper understanding of our thoughts, feelings, and motivations. This self-awareness helps us make better decisions, align our actions with our values, and grow personally and professionally. Enhanced problem-solving and creativity. When we approach challenges with a grateful and reflective mindset, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and creative solutions. Gratitude and journaling stimulate our brain's creativity and problem-solving capabilities, helping us overcome obstacles and think outside the box. Improved relationships. Expressing gratitude not only uplifts our own spirits but also strengthens our relationships with others. When we show appreciation and acknowledge the contributions of our team, mentors, and clients, we foster a positive and supportive environment that cultivates loyalty, collaboration, and growth. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of gratitude and journaling, it's time to take action. Incorporating these practices into our daily routine can truly be a game changer for any entrepreneur. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for gratitude. Whether it's writing in a gratitude journal, sharing what you're thankful for with a loved one, or simply taking a moment to reflect, find a practice that resonates with you. As for journaling, grab a notebook or use a digital platform to jot down your thoughts, experiences, and goals. Make it a habit to write regularly, and watch as your clarity, focus, and productivity soar. And that's a wrap for today's episode. We've explored the profound impact of practicing gratitude and journaling as entrepreneurs. Remember, these simple yet powerful practices can bring balance, positivity, and fulfillment into our lives and businesses. If you found this video valuable, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with gratitude and journaling in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, embrace gratitude, keep journaling, and watch as your entrepreneurial journey transforms before your eyes. Take care, and see you in the next video.